Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi friends! Today we're going to draw and color a cute deer. So grab your paper, pencil, and colors, and let's get started. First, I draw the deer's face, just like this.
Yes!
Then I draw the nose and mouth. Looking adorable already. Next, I add the eyes, nice and big to make it extra cute.
Yeah!
Now I draw the ears and antlers.
Wow!
After that, I draw the body, legs, and little hooves.
Oh yeah!
And finally, I add some spots on the back and the fluffy tail. Now it's time to add some color.
Wow!
I used brown and yellow for the body, face, and tail.
Yeah!
I used black for the nose. Then I color the ears and mouth with pink. The antlers are colored red. And I use a little more pink on the top of the head too.
Wow!
And finally, I go over everything with a black marker to make it pop and look super neat. And that's it! Our cute little deer is all done. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun and easy drawings. See you next time. Bye!